Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop a screenshot on REALME C61. To crop a screenshot, first take a screenshot. To take it, press on power and volume down at once, and the screenshot has been taken. Click on the screenshot to edit it and click on crop and rotate, and now you can crop it. Let's hold on one of the corners or edges and just crop it. When it's cropped to a certain size you want, then approve and press on save to save, and now it's been saved to your phone's gallery. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.